Okay, road sign is in the shape of a regular pentagon. Sketch it. Why not? Okay. It's regular, and we know the formula for how to find the total number of degrees. We say S, number of sides, minus 2. This is a general formula for any, polygon. The total number of degrees in there. Okay, times 180. If we wanted to find out what each angle was, and it says what's the measure of each angle, then what we need to do is we need to take this total, whatever it is for whatever particular polygon, and divide it equally among the number of angles. And the number of angles and the number of sides are the same, so we're going to say divided by S. Looks like a 5, but it's an S. Okay. Now we actually have a pentagon, so ours is going to be actually 5 minus 2 times 180, all divided by 5. So what you get is 3 times 180 divided by 5, or 540 divided by 5, or 108. In a pentagon, a regular pentagon, every interior angle measures 108. There you go.